Hyperbola Part 8.
Hello everyone. In this session I will discuss 2 marks questions. So these are very important questions. సో ఈ వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. ఇంకా మన ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. So the question number 1. If the eccentricity of hyperbola is given 5/4, then find the eccentricity of the conjugate hyperbola. So here we know that the relation between hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola. So already you proved in the 4 marks questions. So that is 1 by e square plus 1 by e1 square equals to 1. Now question number 1. Given eccentricity of hyperbola is what? Eccentricity of the hyperbola, that is given that 5/4. To find what? E1. E1 is the eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola. So to find E1, and we know that the relation between E and E1 is 1 by E square plus 1 by E1 square equals to 1. Okay. From this 1 by E1 square is equals to what? 1 minus 1 by E square. Since E is 5/4, what is 1 by E? Reciprocal of 5/4, that is 4/5. So clearly which is 1 minus 4/5 whole square. Now which is equals to 1 minus 4 square 16 by 5 square 25. Now clearly which is, what is the LCM? 25. 25 into 1, 25 minus 16. Clearly 1 by E1 square is equals to 25 minus 16 is 9 divided by 25. So which can be written as 1 by E1 whole square and 9 by 25 write as 3/5 whole square. Clearly both sides squares get cancelled. 1 by E1 is 3/5. Therefore what is E1? Reciprocal of 3/5. 5/3. So this is the eccentricity of a conjugate hyperbola. So next question number 2. Given that 3x minus 4y plus k equal to 0 is the tangent of the hyperbola, then find the value of k. See here, what is the given line and given hyperbola? Given hyperbola x square minus 4y square equals to 5. So divide the given equation with 5. That is x square by 5 minus 4y square by 5, which is equals to 5 divided by 5. Again, this can be written as x square by 5. So clear, this minus 4/5 can be written as y square by 5/4. 5/5 is 1. Now clearly comparing the given equation with x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. So what is the a square value? 5. A square is equals to 5. And what is b square value? 5/4. Okay. And what is the given line? 3x minus 4y plus k equal to 0. Since 3x minus 4y plus k equal to 0 is tangent of hyperbola. Now we can convert the given equation in terms of y is equal to mx plus c. So that is, we can write 3x plus k equals to what? We can send minus 4y and right hand side becomes plus 4y. That is 3x plus k equals to 4y. From this, what is y value? Y equals to, it should be divided. That is 3/4x plus k by 4. Clearly, what is m? M is 3/4 and c is k by 4. We know that y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. Then the condition is c square is equal to a square m square minus b square in ellipse between plus. So that is the difference. C square, what is c? K by 4. So k by 4 whole square, which is equal to a square. What is a square value? 5. M square, that is 3 by 4 whole square, minus b square. What is b square? 5 by 4. Clearly, which is k square divided by 16, which is equal to 5 into 3 square, 5 into 9, 45 divided by 16 minus 5 by 4, which is k square by 16 equals to, what is the LCM? 16, 45 minus 4 into 5, 20. 16, 16 get cancelled. So k square equal to 45 minus 20. That is 25. So k equals to what? Plus or minus 5. So these are the values of k. Next, question number 3. Define rectangular hyperbola and find its eccentricity. So already we discussed in the previous class. The rectangular hyperbola means the length in any hyperbola, the length of transverse axis is equals to length of conjugate axis. Then we can say that the hyperbola is called a rectangular hyperbola. So just to write in the words. So here we know that length of transverse axis, that is 2a, equals to length of conjugate axis, that is 2b. Clearly from this, a equals to b. We know that what is the eccentricity of the hyperbola? That is square root of a square plus b square divided by a square. So here replace b by a. So what will you get? Square root of a square plus b square means again a square divided by a square. So which is square root of a square plus a square? 2a square divided by a square. A square get cancelled. So therefore the eccentricity of rectangular hyperbola is root 2. Next, question number 4. Find the product of lengths of perpendiculars from any point on the hyperbola to its asymptotes. See a question number 4. The given hyperbola, that is x square by 16 minus y square by 9 equals to 1. So clearly comparing with x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. A square equal to 16 and b square equals to 9. So here we know that the product of lengths of perpendiculars from any point in the hyperbola to its asymptotes is always constant. The constant is some k. So k is equals to a square b square by a square plus b square. So which is equals to a square into b square. That is 16 into 9 divided by a square plus b square. That is 16 plus 9, which is equal to 16 into 9, 144 divided by 16 plus 9, 25. So this is the required answer. So next, question number 5. Find the equations of hyperbola whose foci plus or minus 5, 0 and the transverse axis of length 8. Given foci plus or minus 5, 0. We know that foci formula is what? Plus or minus AE, 0. So clearly AE is equals to 5. This is equation 1. Next, length of transverse axis is 8. That is 2A is equals to 8. From this A equals to what? 4. Substitute A value in equation 1. That is 4A is equals to what? 5. From this E is equals to what? 5 by 4. So here we know that E square is equals to what? A square plus B square divided by A square. So we can do cross multiplication. a square e square, which is equal to a square plus b square. From this, b square is equal to what? A square e square minus a square. From these two terms, a square is common, which is a square into e square minus 1. So therefore, b square is equals to, what is a square? A is 4, a square is 16. Next, e square, 5 by 4 whole square, that is 25 by 16 minus 1. So b square equal to 16 into, what is the LCM? 16, cross multiplication. 25 minus 16. 16 get cancelled. So b square is equal to 25 minus 16. That is 9. Therefore b is equal to what? 3. Now the equation of hyperbola, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. Which is x square by, what is a square value? A is 4, a square is 16 minus y square by b square, b square 9, which is equals to 1. So this is the required equation of hyperbola. Next, question number 6. If the angle between the asymptotes is 30, then find its eccentricity. So here we know that the angle between the asymptotes is theta equals to 2 secant inverse g, or theta equal to 2 tan inverse b by a. But here to find eccentricity, we can take only 2 secant inverse c. Now, what is theta here? Given that theta is 30 degrees. Substitute here, 30 degrees equals to 2 secant inverse c. So here 2 ones are 2 15s. Therefore, secant inverse e equals to 15 degrees. From this, a equals to secant 15. Okay. So e is equal to, since we know that cos 15 equals to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now we can write secant 15, that is reciprocal of cos 15. So 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. But here denominator is containing square root terms. So we can eliminate that. So we can do rationalize, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Multiply and divide with. So e equals to 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1. Denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. Clearly, which is 2 into root 2 into root 3. Root 6 minus root 2 into 1. Root 2. Divided by, what is the denominator? 3 minus 1. 2. 2 to get cancelled. So therefore, e equals to what? Root 6 minus root 2. So that is the eccentricity of the given hyperbola. For next session, I will discuss a new chapter. If you have any doubts in that, please comment. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.